I got my flight to Toronto and I arrived in the city, which is big, lots of people and things to do. But even being in the biggest city in Canada, Toronto has a nice environment and green areas all around, and also is pretty organized to be living with. Next day was time for a coffee and work. So I arrived in the studio La Manigance, Toronto, right in the center of the city, and I will share a little bit of my experience over there. In the picture it looks smaller, but the studio is actually huge, with good resident artists and a space for guests as well. It was nice to stay over there since the studio also helped me to share my work on the socials and I got some customers. Also, the studio has a good and professional materials to use, such my favorite brand needles and everything that you need to work are organized and easy to find. Once you arrive, they provide you a comfortable sandals for customers and artists to walk around. Speaking comfortable, they has a nice lounge for the artists to chill, talk, draw, and have a good coffee in private. Overall, it's just a nice place to be with, lots of artistic inspiration and a friendly environment to work. I had the pleasure to tattooing things that I like, which is my animal series and specifically a bear. That for me in particular is a big representation of Canada. Overall, I felt so comfortable and easy to find everything. People was friendly and even with short time, was nice to be doing guests over there. And I suggest for everyone to go to Toronto to contact La Manigance for a guest spot. It's definitely one of my favorite studios to be worked with. I also had a time to explore the city a little bit, and just a few blocks away from the shop have the Graffiti Valley, which I saw some graffiti artists doing some painting online, and I got some jealous because I didn't have enough time to do it as well, but it's nice to walk around and enjoy some street art. Toronto have a cool big city vibe, and it was nice to be with friends and colleagues, but unfortunately it was my time to leave. It was nice to be here again, and I can't wait to come back. If you like this video, please leave me a like and also subscribe to this channel and let me know in the comments which city and which studio you've been and how was your experience over there. So I hope I can see you guys next.